And here we are in Greece, next to Poseidon Temple, right there.
Жить хорошо.
А хорошо жить еще лучше.
Точно.
Just chilling, relaxing in the sun. Today.
Everyday sailing is very special, but today might have been the most special day because we were greeted by dolphins. These type of moments you can only see in nature and at the open sea.
Стоп, якорь!
Magical island of Folegandros. We just climbed up the church and now we're visiting the city.
Folegandros – это остров для души. Остров, на который хочется вернуться, чтобы побыть здесь наедине с самой собой. Подумать о жизни, о том, что в ней главное.
Какая-то богиня Данаи и ее сын Персей, которого мы знаем. Они их выбросила на берег после того, как ее отец Арциус посадил их в большой ящик и отправил, потому что Оракл сказал ему, что вот этот Персей его убьет. То есть Оракл сказал... Пушкин все списал. Да, Пушкин списал.
Dear diary, today I woke up tired and exhausted. All my muscles hurt from doing this movement.
Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free. Hey.
Move, move, body, move, move your body, do you move, move, body, move, move your body, do you.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse.
How do you operate the stove?
You see if I can do it now. You should hold it for some time before it starts moving.
У нас было 2 напряженных дня, самых настоящих морских испытаний. Были свои герои каждый день, которые совершали маленькие подвиги. Вот, так что все пока что очень интересно.
We traveled through waves and sea and not storms, but it was quite an adventure. Exhausting, and I liked how I fell asleep in a second every day.
Peace, smooth sea, dolphins.
Every day on the boat is amazing, whether you're inside or outside. All right, let's go get some swim.
We are moving to Hydra Island from Kitnos Island, 42 nautic miles. Мы же можем цепляться как угодно широко.
Ух, как ты резкий, я не ждал. Так, ты не видишь, куда вести. Давай канат бросай сюда.
Вывози швартов на середину между этими лодками. Что, я не понимаю, в чем дело. Но я думаю, вы не там завязали. Надо ближе к лестнице. Надо ближе к лестнице.
Держи, держи весло. Костя, схвати эту веревку. Мы еще будем второй конец привязывать.
Все равно рацию возьмите.
Нужно по лестнице выйти. Смотрите за головой. Она натягивается, растягивается.
Отлично.
Володя, ту веревку надо провести под этой.
Дальше.
Надо ниже ее закреплять. Она перетрется. Завязал веревку?
Да.
Конец подбери из воды. Ну, я не знал, завязал она или нет. Наконец трется. Ну ладно.
Ой, это поле битвы. Генерал командует, полковник кричит «Есть».
Dance break.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Right now we're moving through Mediterranean Sea. We've been living in this boat for a week and a half right now, and it's been quite a journey. Sailed all the way from Hydra, which is another beautiful island. Fun fact, they have no cars, or electric cars or gas cars on the island, so it's beautiful there. There's nothing better than sitting on the top of Poros Island, relaxing after a long sailing trip and watching the sunset. All right, here we are at Poros with Rumki. What do you want to say?
I'm scared as fuck.
Yeah, it's pretty scary over here if you look. So,
So,
right now we're sitting among professional Rummikub players and also professional sailors. We've been together for almost 2 weeks and now our journey came to a close. I'm really happy that we did this trip and now I'm gonna join them playing Rummikub.
and here we are at our last island, and it's the island of Poros. It's a beautiful night tonight. We're spending the night here, and tomorrow we're sailing to Athens, and that concludes our trip. And steady. And that's it.
If there is one thought I can leave you with during this beautiful trip, is go sailing.
Here he is.
Вперед!
Вперед!
Поднимай вверх.